Cleaning your grill grates is actually easier than you might think. When people come to me with issues with their grill grates, it's usually because they're trying to scrub and brush caramel, stuck on sugary, gooey gunk off of their grids. Now, cleaning caramel, that's not easy, okay? So we need to convert the caramel, and we'll do that with a process known as burn off. So turn all of your burners on high and close the lid. What this will do, it'll burn all those sugars and turn them all into carbon. It's a very brittle, dusty product that will clean very simple once we complete our burn off. So you let your grill run for 10 to 15 minutes. Whenever black smoke stops coming out of the back of the grill, your burn off is complete. Turn all the burners off, let your grill come down to a moderate temperature, and then using your grill brush, you'll simply brush the grids and it'll all come clean.